Man, folks, what's going on, bro? It's your boy Money Matt coming back to you again from you already know what it is, bro. It's the freaking set, dog. Yo, we gotta stop this. We gotta stop this, bro. All right, what we talking about? We talking about this rap battle, right, between Drake and Kendrick. We ain't here talking about the battle because it's been almost a week, and it was a great moment for hip hop. Now, there are some people out there who are under that um, thought of this is just the industry using two black men to tear each other down, right? But I don't. All right, we ain't even finna get into that, bro. We here to talk about the shoes, right? And the way that the media is trying to, I guess, feed a false narrative, so to speak, or is it Nike playing games? I don't know. But we gonna try to get to the bottom of it, man, because there was an article from USA Today yesterday that made this claim that nobody is buying Drake's new Nike shoe after the Kendrick Lamar beef, right? And they went on to provide screenshots of product on Nike sneakers just sitting there. Now, me personally, I don't think that this has anything to do with the beef per se. Just because I've watched the Nocta 1, the Nocta 2, and that product line just ain't really hit the way that Travis Scott, um, let's see, who else? Yeah, any of the major music artists collaborations have hit. Okay, I wouldn't say major music artists. I'm gonna say the likes of Drake and Travis Scott. Those guys tend to move the needle when they do things, right? So I don't. This product line itself has not really set the culture on fire. Not the sneaker culture. Maybe Drake fans, but not the sneaker culture. And I'm just speaking from an observant standpoint. I don't really, I don't care either way. If I like it, I'm confident. I don't care who or what it is, I'm getting it, right? But I don't think this has anything to do with the rap beef per se. Just because of that reason, these sneakers hasn't been the most hyped product at Nike. And I think this is just another victim of that. Now, somebody made this post at 12:16. The shoes dropped at 10 a.m. yesterday, right? And this is after the fact. Now, this is kind of crazy, but again, there's not really a lot of shoes that's selling out at Nike these days. Like, hell, if Jordans ain't selling out, Jordan 1, number Jordans aren't selling out, then come on, man. Anybody can get this. Anybody but Travis, apparently, because Travis Scott just dropped when he want to drop, how he want to drop it. He dropped one pair, shock drop, and get everybody hype, and drop 300 pair like yesterday. So it's like the lottery essentially for Travis Scott sneakers, and I think that adds to the not the confusion, but the hype and all the noise when it comes to a Travis drop. But we ain't talking about that. We talking about this drop that happened yesterday with the Nocta Hot Step 2s. Now, let's be honest, man. Well, nobody really checking for these shoes, bro. I don't care about the rap battle or not. Well, nobody really checking for these. Now, they may be comfortable, they may be dope, but I don't know. So I did a little digging just to see what I would come up with in relation to this product, right? So, in looking at this, right, I went to sneakers and move out of the way. Went here, right? This is when they dropped yesterday. They $200, sold out, completely sold out. When does that ever happen? Not, yeah. So this is where I think Nike be playing them damn games where they just pulled everything and said it was sold out. Unless it's just a lot of Drake fans out there and they bought every size that was available. I don't really see that happening. So it might be some shenanigans going on with this whole situation. But the aftermarket will really tell whether something was hot or not, right? So I decided to go to GOAT. And as it currently stands in my size of 12 or 12 and a half, 13, right? They're going $52 above market, right? Well, above retail. Um, let's look at the orange ones. Yep. Not really that much of a difference. These are going for $42 to $60 over retail. So yeah, was it a really hype shoe? Nah, because I think it's Drake. You don't have to hype a shoe. It's just got to be liked. And I think this is a victim of two things. One, the media playing these games, right, to skew a narrative to make it seem like people aren't really messing with Drake like that. I don't really think the hip hop culture is really on that yet, unless, because some of the stuff he did say in the rap battle was kind of like, whoa, all right, bro. Now the whole other narrative about him being one of, we ain't getting into that. We talking about the shoes. Now, I think that article is a little misleading, and again, you have to watch what you read. But for the most part, the second thing of this is I think Nike is playing that supply demand game, where, and this it could just be speculation, right? I don't know, but I find it highly doubtful that every size run that was on Nike sneakers sold out. I think they may have sat there and Nike was like, "All right, let's pull them back and hit them with the sold out to drive hype." I'm just saying. I'm just clearly speculating. I'm just going off of an observant standpoint. That's what I think is going on. Cause I mean, maybe it's just me. Ain't nobody really. I ain't gonna say ain't nobody, because somebody bought them. Somebody's clearly selling them for profit or trying to sell them for profit. So yeah, I don't know, man. Let me know down in the comments, man, whether you think this was just a thing where somebody is trying to mislead or skew a narrative, or feed us a narrative that nobody's really messing with Drake just because of this rap beef. Because I don't think that's the case, not at all. Drake is a megastar, and I don't think this, yeah, for whatever reason they trying to get him up out of here. I'm not a Drake stan, not at all. I am not a Kendrick stan. I'm a lover of hip hop, and I've been here through all the beefs. So this ain't nothing different. This is not nothing different. I think we just got a blah shoe, and it didn't really set the internet on fire. So that's my piece, man. Let me know what y'all think about this, man. Whether you think it's just ain't nobody feeling this shoe, or that's did nobody buy them and Nike just put a sold out tab on them. Let me know down in the comments below, man. I'm gonna get on out of here, bro. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button, so you can continue to get more information from your boy here on the set, man. We don't get into all that fugazi stuff, man. We just here to point out some stuff. We like sneakers, we like electronics, we like toys. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. Let me know down in the comment, man, what y'all think of this situation that's going on here. Gone.